The Umbrella Brigade, written by Laura Richards. Pitter patter falls the rain on the schoolroom window pane. Such a plashing, such a dashing. Will it have be dry again? Down the gutter rolls a flood, and the crossings deep in mud. And the puddles, oh the puddles, are a sight to stir one's blood. But let it run. Tree toads and frogs, muskets and pitchforks, kittens and dogs, dash away, plash away. Who is afraid? Here we go, the umbrella brigade. Pull the boots up to the knee, tie the hoods on merrily. Such a hustling, such a jostling, out of breath with fun are we. Clatter, clatter down the street, greeting everyone we meet, with our laughing and our chaffing, which the laughing drops repeat. So let it rain, tree toads and frogs, muskets and pitchforks, kittens and dogs, dash away, plash away. Who is afraid? Here we go, the umbrella brigade. Thank you.